In primetime news this evening, recovery plan. Prime Minister Holness updates nation on the way forward. Emergency relief. $600 million package for agriculture sector. Back to school. Pilot phase of face-to-face classes begins. We have the assessment.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. What are your thoughts on getting a COVID-19 vaccine when it is approved?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.